My name is Lachey, and I'm from Jacksonville, Florida. I found Dr. McCawley's office by way of YouTube. I came to Dr. McCawley because at the time I was at risk of losing my front tooth and potentially the tooth on the side of the front tooth as well. So prior to getting here, I had actually met with anywhere from 5 to 6 other dentists, specialists, and the recommendation that they had for me was extraction. So when I came here, this was like my last straw. And in speaking with Dr. McCawley and also his team, his recommendation was to do the LANAP surgery. I did it. It was phenomenal. I received excellent pricing in comparison to another doctor that I had spoken with about getting that surgery. And since that time up until now, I believe it's been around 6 months, there has been a vast major improvement. My teeth used to bleed when brushing. Now they no longer do that. In addition to, I've had several adjustments with my bite, and it has been, I would say, phenomenal. So it has really improved in appearance, and now I'm actually considering some cosmetic work. So I'm extremely excited. I'm so very thankful. I know if I would not have met Dr. McCawley and his team, I would have lost my front tooth, potentially another tooth in addition to that. And it would have been a whole lot more money out of pocket. So I'm so very thankful. This is like the other side of heaven for me. Thank you. Thank you so much, Dr. McCawley and your special team. Thank you.